Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and gear. Today, we're diving into the Garmin Forerunner 45 GPS running watch bundle. Let's lace up our shoes and hit the ground running with this comprehensive review. The Garmin Forerunner 45 is not just a watch, it's your personal running coach, health tracker, and safety companion all rolled into one sleek package. Let's unpack what makes this bundle so special. First off, let's talk about design. The Forerunner 45 comes in a vibrant lava red color, perfect for adding a pop of personality to your runs. Its 42mm size ensures a comfortable fit on any wrist, while the 1.04-inch display provides crisp, clear visibility even in bright sunlight. But it's not just about looks. This watch packs a punch when it comes to features. With built-in GPS, you can track your runs with pinpoint accuracy, while the wrist-based heart rate monitor keeps tabs on your cardiovascular health in real time. And let's not forget about the Garmin Connect app, your hub for storing and analyzing all your running data. From distance covered to pace achieved, this app provides invaluable insights to help you level up your training. Safety is paramount, especially when you're hitting the road or trail alone. That's where the Forerunner 45 shines with its safety and tracking features. With incident detection and assistance, you can rest assured knowing that help is just a button press away in case of emergencies. But wait, there's more. This bundle comes with some fantastic extras, including a workout cooling sport towel and Deco Essentials wearable commuter front and rear safety light, ensuring you're fully equipped for any situation. In conclusion, the Garmin Forerunner 45 GPS running watch bundle is a game-changer for runners of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out on your fitness journey, this watch has everything you need to succeed. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews. Until next time, happy running!